In this video, I will show you how you make large tiles in Blender 2.83. Add this cube and scale it like this. Go to modifier, add a bevel like this. Okay. And now you add array modifier. Put it 4 like this and put it in the center and apply. Added another array modifier and put it in y-axis. Okay, like this. You can add also some colors in material settings, like this, or this. And you can put some roughness for the objects or the tiles to make really good and realistic. Now you can go to the shader editor to put some nodes and make some changes in the object. Add a noise texture and vector bump. Link the noise texture in the height and the bump in the normal. You see now the changes in the tiles. You can change some roughness and color like this. Okay. Or I can change it like this, brownian color. Yeah, like this. Now I go to the scale in the setting of noise texture and raise the value like this and reduce the value of the bump. Yeah, it's good. Now I add some color ramp and link it. You can change the color procedurally from this color ramp. Okay. Now I must add another color ramp, Shift D to duplicate this. Delete this and add mix RGB. Okay, and link the color ramps in mix RGB and mix RGB link it to principled BSDF. Now I must go to the camera setting and add some settings for my render. Here, lock camera to view. Okay. And make render now. Okay, good. But I can choose cycles engine for my render. Yeah, that's it.